Now Nunes tries to what? Nunes is what? Outside world, right? Outside force. But he's telling the truth, right? But the people, those who are in the just living in the valley, living in the mountain, they are what? They are blind, and they don't want to interfere with the outside world. They don't even want to know the truth. So Nunes, somehow it happens with him, interesting thing, he falls in love with the blind woman. He falls in love with the blind woman, but he says that the woman he falls in love with, her name is Medina. This is what written. So, and Medina has beautiful eyelashes, and he says that even though she was blind, but this is what impressed him most, and he fell in love with her. And he tries to confess her that, look, I exactly can tell you how you look like. You have beautiful eyelashes. You are beautiful, but you don't see me, but I'm seeing you. You're really beautiful. He tries to confess Medina as well. And Medina believes in him. And Medina believes in him that Nunes really, he's not blind. He sees the world, and he sees me. So, but Medina's father doesn't want to get married to that guy because, he doesn't want to break the tradition. Because blind women should marry a blind guy. So he doesn't want to break the tradition. And he says that it's not possible. I'm not going to allow you to marry this guy. Yes, I believe that this guy sees the world. But Medina wants to get married with Nunes, and Nunes is trying, Nunes wants to get married as well. So Medina comes up with a condition. And Medina's father gives Medina a condition. Well, it's okay. So Medina's father started to talk with all the blind doctors in the community. And the doctor says, okay, let's see. Who is that guy who sees the world? Then he found that Nunes is proclaiming that, Nunes sees the world. And the doctor is saying that, well, this is an exceptional case. But his blindness is not like us. His blindness is caused by his psyche, by his thoughts. So his eyes, the socket of his eyes must be pulled off. He must be made blind. Safa. He must be made what? Blind. And Nunes, so now Medina is saying to Nunes, if you really love me, go for it. Be blind. And that's not an issue because you are going to live in here in the community, so you have to be blind. And Nunes is saying that Nunes is saying, no, I cannot do it. Nunes says, no, I cannot do it. And Medina is saying that if you truly love me, you should do it. You cannot sacrifice your 2 eyes for me. So what he says now, now when everyone, the doctor is ready with the surgery, and Nunes will go through an operation, and everything is the stage is set up. Somehow Nunes flee from the place. Somehow he ran away. He ran away, and when he ran away, then he started to somehow, he said that, I'll run away and I'll get back to my country. And he left the place. Now if you just try, that's the end of the story. Now,
what about the love? Where is Medina?
No, that's not the thing. Now, where is now if you think of the theory of cave, they just say the same thing for you. They just saying that, this is the people of the cave actually. The blind people, the blind community, they are what? The people of the cave. And Nunes is the outside world who is really exceptional, someone different, and the society is after that. Even when you are really exceptional, and the society will be trying to make you like them, because society always wants to control you. Alright? So So when you speak the truth, and you feel like this is the truth, ultimate truth, you know, the society will never accept it. This is what the theory of cave is. Obviously, we become the victim of the circumstances. We become the victim of the society. And this is what Bacon wants to say. This is the theory of the cave. That you don't, when you see the truth and when you run for the truth, people will start to bully you. People will start to isolate you. People will start to insult you. Because people always want you to become like them. And this is the theory of cave, is also known as the allegory of the cave. And what is the allegory of the cave? Allegory is like the animalistic characters that are given. They talk like human beings, but they are animals. Have you read the story of the Aesop? In Bangla we call it Aesop's Choto Gulp. Like there is a fox who cut his tails, and then he comes to everyone. Hey, look, my ponytail. And you should cut your tail as well, right?
It's more beautiful.
It's more
More
beautiful.
beautiful.
And look how attractive everyone follows me. So this is the story. This is called allegory. This is called what?
Allegory.
This is a term. So this is also known as, in the Google, you can find the allegory of the cave, but this is the actual story of the theory of the cave. So people are not going to believe you when you speak something exceptional. Like same thing happened to Copernicus. When Copernicus said that the earth evolves around the sun, he said the concept of the outside of the world, right?
Yes.
And he was sentenced to what? Death. He was being killed. When you speak the truth, you find what? People are after you. They don't like you at all. Because majority of the people, they want you just to be in somewhere so that you can never shine. You can never bloom. Their life is not good, so they want your life to be bad, miserable as well. Same thing is happening in our country as well. You people are not coming to class due to what? Strike? But do you think that the government will ever say you sorry for that? Will ever say, you know, my dear students, I'm extremely sorry because you have ruined 1 or 2 years of your life because we wanted to stay in the power. Aren't they going to say sorry to you?
Never.
They'll never be sorry. Do you think that if you die, will ever they release a press release? We feel, we mourn because this student of this university has died. Will they ever do it?
No.
But the majority of the people, they want you to stay in the cave. Where?
Okay.
If you come out of the cave, you become someone difficult to control. Get it? And the story was the story, the country of the blind, was the same story. Nunes wanted to change the universe, but he found that he's too little to change because they are changing him right now. Because when you are inside the cave, you find that you know the truth, but you have to believe in the false philosophy of the people, the common people, because the common people are dangerous. The mass people always try to control you in every way. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what's the theory of cave? The theory of the cave is a theory that tells you about that people are always kept in a cave, like kept in the unreal world, so that they cannot explore the truth, the mere truth that we see. The theory of cave exemplifies the theory of cave. Nahi. The theory of cave tells you about something. What is that? That when you inside the cave, you start to behave like the people of the cave, but when someone gets out of the cave, you start to blame him because he broke the law, he's someone criminal, He's not fulfilling the rights of the society. This is what we say actually. But those who dare to break the law, they are the ultimate, they get the truth actually. Until you experiment something, until you just be someone great or individual, you cannot invent something, because the common people has a common idea. What is the common idea? Eat, sleep, die. Right? What is the common people idea?
Eat, sleep, and die.
Done. But if there is an exception, what is the exception? There will be someone, they'll be saying that, yes, we have to eat, we have to sleep, and we know that we are going to die. But in between that, we need to find out the truth. Why are we here? Here. That's the theory of the cave. But why am I telling you that? The theory of the cave. Because the rhyme of the ancient mariner, when we're going to read that, is something that is not going to deal with the people of this world. It's going to deal with something that doesn't exist at all. And he'll make you believe, Coleridge will make you believe that the outside force he's talking about, you have to believe it. That much convincing Samuel Taylor Coleridge is. Thank you. Can you stop the recording?